They say if you want to talk to Allah, go into salah. And if you want Allah to talk to you, open the Quran.
So Allah's talking to them, man.
So I think because Allah, a good portion of the world maybe turned their backs on them. So they're like, Allah will never turn our backs on us.
You know how many Quran schools I found in the tents? Man, you can't. Man, we're living in beautiful houses, beautiful apartments, beautiful cars. How many of us today takes his kids to Quran schools?
SubhanAllah.
How many? Wallah, how many?
Allah.
Very minimal. And we have the time. We have the time. We have the money to go. SubhanAllah, there, man, it's war, man. War. People can't find a place to sleep at. People don't know how are they going to spend the next hour. They're in Quran schools inside the tents. I've been to many tents. They're teaching them Quran, man.
So what happens when you're constantly listening to Quran, constantly doing dhikr? The means and the worldly asbab are becoming less and less and less. What's going to happen with your heart? It's going to turn to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.